Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science. Students, during last part we have discussed types of fish marketing in India. In these types of fish marketing in India, in online lecture series, we have studied different types of fish market. That may be wholesale fish market, where fishes these are to be sold on large quantities only. Retail fish market, where fishes these are to be sold in small quantities only. Instead of these wholesale fish market and retail fish market, depending upon the product which is to be sold in market. Again, what is meant by market definition? These are to be seen, where fishes these are to be collected, gathered one place, where buyers and sellers, these two persons, they can exchange their product and money in between them. That is called as the fish marketing. Means buyers, they can sell their product, whereas consumers, they can purchase their different fish quantity with giving exchange value in amount of rupees. That is called as the place or area called as market. Again, in this market, wholesale market and retail market, or depending upon the product which is to be sold in market, whether as fish market, only fishes these are to be sold. Whether as prawn market, only prawns these are to be sold. Where dry fishes these are to be sold, only dry fish market. Or similarly, as a market which is to be observed or seen in our nearby places, that is cotton market, steel market, cotton market, steel market, fish market, or various types of food grain market. Similarly, this fish market is also categorized, and also these are to be similar manner, similar fashion these are to be occur, these are to be found. During this fish marketing, three types of fish market these are to be observed, these are to be found in Indian region. First is the primary village market, second is the secondary market, and third is the terminal market. All these three market we have just seen last time. Now today we have seen in detail primary village market. What is meant by the primary village market? Market which is to be held, market which is to be fulfilled, or simply the place where marketing these are to be done in a village level, or marketing is to be occur in village part, village area. That market is called as the primary or the first market, or it is called as the primary village market. Primary village market. The primary village market, the market is held in rural areas. Market is to be held in rural areas such as village. Market is to be held in rural areas such as small wadi or tanda or vasti. Means market these are to be placed, market these are to be working, functioning either in village. Market these are to be functioning either in small wadi, or it is to be functioning on tanda, or it is to be functioning on a vasti, where 10 houses, where 15 houses, 20 houses, these are to be occur. In that area, periodically by every week, market these are to be held in such areas such as village, small wadi, tanda, vasti area. Periodically by every week in a particular fixed day, that market is called as the primary village market. What is primary village market? The market is held in rural areas such as village, a small wadi, or at tanda or at vasti, periodically by every week in a particular fixed day. That market is called as the primary village market. Primary village market. In various villages or in various village areas, weekly bazaar is held, which is familiar to almost villagers and nearby villagers. In various village areas, weekly bazaar is held, in which you are familiar, all students coming from the rural areas. Some students come from the Adgaon Bazar, some are to be from Yeldari, some are to be from Nivdi. In these areas, almost weekly, one day, the bazaar is to be held, marketing is to be held, that all facilities these are to be sold in that market. That may be cloth, that may be food grain, that may be miscellaneous, that may be fish or other varieties. In various village areas, weekly bazaar is held, which is familiar to almost villagers and nearby villagers. That is the primary village market. Nearby villagers are also sold their product in such primary village market. Nearby villagers are also sold their product in such primary village market, and hence this primary village market is the important and most source for the villagers. Those are to be poor, those are the medium class. They do not went for marketing to the cities or the towns. They can purchase their all essential needs from such primary village market. Hence the primary village market is the best example of marketing. The small fisherman who catching small fishes, in small quantities, such fishermen can sold their captured quantity of fish, quality of fish in primary village market by sitting one place, by sitting one area. Generally in these primary village market, those area which is to be fixed, those area which is to be selected, in that area one corner, fisherman can be sit down in one fixed place, and at that place all nearby villagers, all nearby fishermen, they can gather and they can purchase their product. That may be small fish. Generally in such small primary villagers, generally those fishermen which can capture fishes in small quantity as well as wide fishes, small size fishes, because in market, in metropolitan cities or in larger cities, such small quantity and small size fishes have no market value. That's why such a small quantity and small size fishes only can purchase those are the middle class or those are the poor people in villages. These villagers, they can purchase these fishes, and hence these primary village market is the best source, is the best example for the fishermen. Nearby villagers, nearby areas, nearby ponds, lakes or the reservoirs, fishes these are to be caught, captured by these fishermen. They can sold their product, they can sold their fishes in such primary village market. Those fishermen who cannot afford to send their product to the cities and towns for the want of cheap transport facilities, and who are need in intermediate or immediate return, those are need of immediate return at their product. These fishermen, they can sold their product, they can sold their fish in primary village market. Who can sold their fishes, who can sold their product? Those fishermen who cannot afford to send their product. ज्या फिशरमॅनला परवडत नाही, ज्यांना ती सुविधा नाही, ज्यांना ती सवलत माहीत नाही की फिश एका ठिकाणाहून जिंतूरून औरंगाबादला किंवा जिंतूरून मुंबईला फिश ट्रान्सपोर्ट करायची, ही फॅसिलिटी माहीत नाही किंवा कसे पाठवायचे हे माहीत नाही. दोज फिशरमॅन हू कॅन नॉट अफोर्ड टू सेंड देअर product to the cities and towns for the want of cheap transport facilities and who are need immediate return. प्रत्येक फिशरमॅनला असं असतं, स्मॉल फिशरमॅन असतात, त्यांना ताबडतोब फिश कॅप्चर केल्यानंतर विकून त्यांना ताबडतोब पैसा हवा असतो किंवा रिटर्न हवा असतो इमिडिएट. सच फिशरमॅन डू नॉट सेंड देअर प्रॉडक्ट टू द metropolitan cities because in metropolitan cities time consuming transportation, then their marketing place, marketing time, then commission agent, then return to the money, it is the time consuming. That's why these fishermen, they do not send their product, only they immediate within short period they can return their money, they can return their, that is value of the that product which is to be sold in the primary village market. Such fishermen can be sell their product, they sell their goods in such primary village market. Goods are sold on retail basis in primary village market. Goods are sold on a retail basis on primary village market. Primary village market, individual purchasers, individual buyers can buy the fish, buy the quantity and quality of fish depending upon its needs depending upon its consumption quality and quantity. Those fishermen catch small quantity of fish, they can sold these fishes in primary village market. Those fishermen can catch small quantity of fish, they can sold these fishes in primary village market. In this primary village market, there is no any adequate space, no facility of electricity, no road facility also not found, no any primary requirements as essential of water, as essential of hygiene, as waste management. There is no any facilities. Means in the primary village market, these fishermen can sit down on open place where dirty of area these are to be occur, where dust is to be occur, where a maximum foul odor is to be occur. In such places, in such areas nearby the sanitary, nearby the waste water falling sanitary where or sanitary region area, these fishermen can sit and they can sell their product where there is no any adequate facility, there is no any modern facility such as sitting for, no any electric or no any electricity, no road facility, not any primary requirements such as to wash the hands, such as for hygienic condition, for those are the waste removed from the fishes, that is abdominal waste. All these waste, these are to be thrown at that place. No can these are to be picked up, means no any facility these are to be available. In such areas, fishermen can sit down and they can sell their product. It is called as the primary village market. And in primary village market, no modern techniques tool these are to be used, but a very poor hygienic condition these are to be occur, and in such foul odor, in such dirty places, they can sit down and sold their product. Then also in this primary village market, maximum nearby villagers are sold their product. These market, these are to be dirty on open place, no hygienic condition, no any precaution these are to be taken. Then also in this area, fishermen can sold their maximum product and villagers also buy their product from this primary village market. Because of due to minimum investment and easily product availability, due to minimum investment and easily product is sold, no time consuming, no transportation charges, no any extra waste, no any extra charges is to be given. Hence these fishermen can sold their product in such primary village market. Hence this primary village market is the main and important fish market. Hence this primary village market is the main and important fish market. In India, such primary village markets were more in number, and these markets perform very poor condition. In our country, in our area, especially in Jintur area, when our area Yalda reservoir is to be occur, Yalda reservoir is to be found. Then also in this area, number of villages, number of nearby such as Ambarwadi, Yaldari, then Bhamble Sangvi, Adgaon, Itoli, Sauli, then Nivli. In these different villages, every day in a week, every a fixed day, bazaar is to be held, marketing is to be held, and in this marketing, fishermen can sold their product. Fishermen can sold their captured fishes on a small scale, and they can earn money. In India, such primary village markets are very number, maximum tremendous number, but their hygienic condition, their market condition is very poor. There is no any maintenance, there is no any hygienic condition, there is no any waste management, or there is no any more requirement which is to be essential for the buyers as well as the sellers. But market is to be sold, and unfortunately in our country, maximum product, as those people which is to be living below poverty level, those people which is to be living below their earning level, these are to be enter into market and purchase, and they can buy various activities, various needful activities, needful items in market every week. But these markets are more important to sold fish and non-fish animals in Indian region, in Indian area. That's why this primary village market is important. Primary village market is the most significant factor in our country, that is in Indian subcontinent. In this primary village market, then second is the secondary village market. Secondary village market. Then the next market after the primary village market is the secondary village market. We have seen in next part. Here up to here only we have seen the primary village market, where weekly in a villagers, nearby villagers, they can sold, they can purchase those product, those fishes they can capture nearby water bodies, nearby ponds, nearby lakes, and they can sold their fishes in small quantities. Hygienic condition is to be not maintained. No any modern techniques tool these are to be used. No any, that is the investigators, or no any, that is government officials, they can watch these marketing activities in the primary village market. This primary village market totally it is to be run down on a traditional manner, on a traditional ways. Every in our areas, every 2 to or few villages, in weekly one day marketing is to be held, and in this marketing day, the day is to be fixed, such as Yeldari, that is every Wednesday marketing is to be done, such as Bori, every Monday marketing is to be done, such as Adgaon Bazar, every Thursday marketing is to be done. Similar fashion, in every week one day is to be fixed, and in this day marketing is to be done, marketing is to be performed, and in this marketing day all product, all activity and all items that can be sold in the market, and buyers and seller freely they can sell and freely they can purchase. It is the most significant character of Indian market, that is the primary village market. Then we have seen next part, secondary and terminal village market. Up to here we have just seen first primary village market. Thank you all of you.